Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now click on the lines at the bottom right corner and choose Settings. After that, click I accept, and now you can customize this wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!